In my video guide, I will give you guidelines that will help you to remove the new ransomware, which is called LockLock. LockLock is a ransomware type virus that encrypts files, and during the encryption it appends the names of encrypted files with a unique LockLock extension. So now, before the ransomware attack, you can clearly see that there are no problems opening any files. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But, unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this LockLock ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And unfortunately, pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware adds this LockLock extension to the files and drops a special file on the desktop called How to Back Files. And the ransomware actually tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money. So don't pay the ransom and don't contact the developers using any methods they mention, because this does not give any guarantees of the file recovery. What we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this LockLock ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware tool called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. Combo Cleaner would first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any ransomware or malware. So you need to wait until the antivirus database is updated. After that, the scanning will begin. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner, which is called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of the threats which were revealed on your computer. The summary of the threats will mention the names of the threats, their exact locations on your device. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but we recommend that you still consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to remove this malware and to get your data always protected in the future.